Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are going to discuss on a very vast topic, that is hypertension. Everybody in the society wants to live healthy. That nobody wants to take pills. Nobody wants to get diseased. So, with this type of topic, we are going to cover it in few minutes. Understanding hypertension. What is hypertension? What I am going to live into. How the hypertension develops. Normally, in healthy person it rises and falls throughout the day. When you are working, when you are cycling, when you are discussing, you are getting a bit tense and again it is getting down. If it is raised from the normal level for the whole day time, then it comes under hypertension. That is usually develop over the time. It can happen because of unhealthy lifestyle. That we will deal with what all are the factors. Common factors what we are going through is physical activity, obesity, smoking, high alcohol consumption. These are the main leading factors which leads towards the hypertension that we used to usually ignore it. We'll deal with the thing. Again, there are other risk factors which increase the developing of hypertension. Who are prone to have hypertension? That is the age factor. According to the age, when you are getting older day by day, the arteries are getting stiffened. If you are not doing your regular exercise, it may lead towards the hypertension. Again, as what we have talked, physical activity. If there is a lack of exercise, again you are going to lead towards the hypertension. If you are taking much more of the salt intake is there, it is again going to lead towards the hypertension. Then stressful life. Even if you are doing your job, but you are taking your job to the home, to the bed, even these days it happens quite often on the virtual meetings, at the home itself you are busy with the laptop or your mobile through the 8 a.m. till 12 p.m. That is a stressful job. Few years back when you are in the job, you are doing your job and leaving the job to the office itself. But now the office had come to the home, and from the home it has come to your mind, and that is quite stressful. You don't know the effect, but by the stage of the life as you go through, you will come to know that again, okay, I am land up in the hypertension. So there is no age bar right now. Previously there was age bar, that this is the age, this is the cut mark where we can see for the hypertension. But these days we are seeing lots of cases in the younger ones also. So the cut mark has become now 18, only 18 years of age, and we have started seeing the hypertension. Moving on to the hypertension, does not have any obvious signs and symptoms. So why it is called a silent killer? You don't have any symptoms, but the diagnosis can be done very easily with the sphygmomanometer. That is a BP instrument commonly we used to say, but quite a time it gives raised BP doesn't mean you are going to be panicked. 3 to 4 times if you are getting checked, and all the several times if you are getting higher the range, then you can say that there is hypertension. And what are the normal range? A healthy normal range is 120 by 80. If it is exceeding that, 130 to 80, you can go through a pre-hypertensive. But if it is 140/90 and onwards, you have to take antihypertensive pill so that it should be controlled. So again we are going to have the things what we can prevent and from which we can give our life a new face. Regular exercise, healthy diet, quit smoking and leave the alcohol consumption, and adherence to medicine and stress management. These are the few things which have to go through. What is a regular exercise? Regular exercise is being done by anybody, anywhere. That has been distributed according to the age. It doesn't mean that the person of 18 years of age is doing the exercise, same has to be done by the 65 years of the age. You have to divide it. You have the experts around you, the physiotherapist, the exercise expert in the gym. If you are joining the gym, the expert will tell you according to their age, according to your muscles gesture, they will tell you what type of exercise you should do. The minimal exercise what a physician, what we used to tell is a 30 minutes of brisk walks per day. Minimum 30 minutes and maximum 45 minutes. How to do? You have to do a brisk walk just a bit faster than what you walk per day. That is a brisk walk. It doesn't mean that he is walking fast or she is walking fast. I am not walking in that capability. It's not like that. Whatever you are walking, you should make your step a bit faster, and best part is that you have to sustain it for 30 minutes. That is the best part. It is not like that you are going and walking and again you are exhausting yourself in 15 minutes. It doesn't make any sense. So you go for 30 minutes, maximum you can go for 45 minutes. If you are busy or if you are not able to do in the morning, you can do in the evening, you can do in the night. It is not like that if you are a morning walker, then only you will get the benefit. That was the exercise plan. Now healthy diet. What are the healthy diets? Healthy diets are fruits in the all sense, that they will give you a potassium. Avoid junk foods, avoid excessive salt. That to be, start with your day with cereals, not with the wholesome rice or chapati. Avoid salt as much as you can. Take little bites from morning till evening. Don't take a large meal and be at the work. That is also these days it is giving lots of problems along with the hypertension. There is dietary approach to stop hypertension diet, that is called DASH actually. Reduction of salt in the diet is also very important. Now quitting of smoking and alcohol intake is a major factor which can cut down your hypertension very fast. If you are smoking, you leave it and you see the figure. Without any medicine, it will come down like anything. If you are taking alcohol consumption per day, you can leave it. I know it is not possible in a day, but slowly consumption of alcohol you can cut down the ml, and you just leave it and then you see the figure. Without medicine, you will be able to have and you can enjoy your life. Third part, what you are going to do is stress management. That is much more important. What we are talking in the beginning, in the COVID era, everybody, everywhere in the world, they are getting stressed. Somehow you can say the phobia. Somehow you can say you are not meeting to the society persons or not discussing your problems to anybody and you are getting stressed. That is a major factor. So for that you can talk to a person whom you are very close to. You can hear the music, you can hear some, you can see the pictures, you can share your views to others, so that you should have a discussion. You can live on the stress. Like each day you have to think like that I have to keep the stress away from my table, away from my brain, away from my body. You have to pick up that thing that one has to do. Again, the adherence of medicine. Medicine has a vital role. You should not avoid it when a doctor is advising you, because he or she, when goes to the doctor is the main person who wants to give you a good life. For that, he will tell you what to do, what not to do. What we have briefed you, they will tell you first to do that. In a first go, no, not a single doctor is going to advise you medicine unless until it is very high. They will advise you change your lifestyle, take lots of water, less of salt intake, proper sleep. There are 3 8s if you manage in the life that will give you a tremendous change in your life. 3 8s means we all have 24 hours in a day. So 3 8. 8 into 3 is 24. 8 hours of job, 8 hours of rest, 8 hours of sleep. This is the mantra given by the elders. If you manage this, you will be very good and you don't have to take medicine. These are the few things which we used to go through, and these are the few points we have gone through. Take lots of water, sweat out wherever you can by you're doing your exercise. Age is not the bar for the hypertension. So with these things, today we are closing the session. Again, we will meet you in the further session of the